The potentiometer connected to pin A1 of Arduino helps in adjusting sweep length. One leg gets 5 volt and other end gets 0 volt. Center leg gives voltage value, from 0 volt to 5 volt. Corresponding digital value is from 0 to 1023. This digital value has been used in for loop for adjusting the step size of increment, so the total length of 128 pixels in horizontal sweep can accommodate 2, 3, 4, or 5 cycles of electrical wave. Potentiometer connected in signal path is used to shift the display in vertical direction. Vertical deflection has been mapped between 0 to 1023 values, but pixel counts are only 64. So the entire range has been compressed in range 0 to 63 linearly. The DC voltage thus clamped to signal is able to shift the display in vertical direction whenever this pot is adjusted.